Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and here is a tips and tricks video. How do you import your bookmarks or favorites from another browser into Google Chrome? It's quite easy. Simply open your Google Chrome browser. There are two ways that bookmarks can be imported into a browser. Either you have exported that file from a browser into a HTML file that you can actually import from. Just need to know where the file is on your computer, or you have the automated process that Google Chrome actually has, and depending on the browsers you've got installed, you go on the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, you go into bookmarks. Once you're here, you will see that in the bookmarks you have something that is called import bookmarks and settings, and here you will have select items to import. You will choose your browser. It can import from Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Firefox if you've used that browser, or a bookmark HTML file that you might have actually exported from another browser. Most browsers actually enable you to actually send the HTML or the bookmarks into a file, an HTML file. So if the browser isn't here, for example, if you're using Opera or you're using another third-party browser, well, you can export the bookmarks in HTML files, and then you can actually choose that file from that menu. So it's as easy as that, and you'll have all of your bookmarks into Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.